My first inspiration by Jose Rizal. Why falls so rich a spray of fragrance from the bowers of the balmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from woods and bulbs do we hear sweet measures ringing that seem to be the singing of a choir of nightingales? Why in the grass below do birds start at the wind's noises, unleashing their honeyed voices as they hop from bough to bough? Why should the spring that glows its crystalline murmur be turning to the zephyr's mellow crooning as among the flowers it flows? Why seems to me more endearing, more fair than on other days, the dawn's enchanting face among red clouds appearing? The poem celebrates the richness of life, particularly the sensory experiences of spring. It explores the natural world's response to changing seasons, suggesting a magical and harmonious nature. The imagery, including flowers, birds, winds, and spring, creates a moment of perfect beauty, especially on a festive day, suggesting renewal, joy, and a deeper connection to life. The central themes of Rizal's poetry often focus on love for country, patriotism, and a deep desire for freedom and social justice. In poems like First Inspiration, he celebrates the beauty of nature, which can symbolize the freedom and potential for a nation. His works call for Filipinos to be aware of their worth, value their heritage, and strive for justice and equality. Rizal poetry encourage a strong sense of national pride and the importance of fighting for the well-being and dignity of the people. This poem captures the beauty of nature and the sense of wonder that comes with it, especially during spring when everything seems alive and in harmony. For me, it highlights how nature's richness and melodies can stir deep emotions. For the Filipino people, this poem can resonate deeply because of our strong connection to nature. Filipinos often celebrate the beauty of our environment, whether it's the vibrant flowers, the sounds of birds, or the smoothing breeze. It reminds us to appreciate the simple yet profound moments that nature offers, and to find inspiration and joy in everyday life just as the poem does.